For lovers of new trends, such as new digital tools and new ways of seeing and making art, there is ARTITIVE. This tool developed in recent years allows you to create and see art differently. When you visit some museums that have this feature, you can use the application by opening the camera with the application and pointing it at the painting or artwork. You will notice how it transforms into an interactive work through the lens of your cell phone. This also allows you to create your own interactive works. You can find your application in Play Store or App Store, as well as your web page on the internet. When you download the application, you will be asked to access your camera. After accepting it, you will be able to see the interactive art when the camera points at that work of art that has this function available. On the internet hand, to design your own art, you must enter the page of ARTITIVE. There, you will be able to create an image or video. The first way to do it is the basic one, which is established by default. This is the art in 2 dimensions. If you want to make it in 3D mode, right there it will allow you to generate a projection. You will be able to play with the 3 dimensions to establish different image or videos in the same one. You will be able to establish if you want the experience of your figure has sound. You can make transparency of some color to give realism to the image of the video. Once you have finished your work, you can save it or download it and see it at any time. Just below your project, you can find several tools to manage it. There, you can play the work, download it, edit it, as long as you have not deleted it. See statistics such as creation dates, total visits, report by weeks, average daily visits, and average time of reproduction. You can see from which operating system has been made the visit, if it is iOS or Android. Likewise, you can delete your project at any time, but this will be permanent. It is an excellent opportunity for modern artists who like to explore new ways of showing their artwork.